color of the sky?
Sky blue.
What is the color of an apple?
Apple red.
Counting 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10.
Which animal says bow bow?
Dog.
Which animal is called the king of the jungle?
Lion.
Name a yellow fruit.
Mango.
Carrot is a vegetable or fruit.
Carrot. Vegetable.
Where do you study?
Study red.
Where do you study?
Study എന്തുവാണ്? അമ്മമാരോ?
Where do you study?
School.
Who teaches you?
ടീച്ചറാ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്.
Where do we used to travel on road?
കാറും പോവാം, ബസ്സും പോവാം.
Okay. What flies in the sky?
Sky blue.
What flies in the sky?
Aeroplane.
What do we drink?
Ingro.
What do we drink?
പറയാം.